So Apple just announced a new Series 9 and a new Apple Watch Ultra 2. So here are the 5 things you need to know about the 2 new devices, and then I might drop my 2 cents towards the end, because it's a little silly. First thing you need to know is that the Series 9 has a new Series 9 SIP chip with an improved neural engine, which allows more Siri requests to be processed on the device rather than through the internet. That's great, because that just means Siri is going to be faster, because Siri is not fast. Like the iPhone 15s, there's a new ultra wideband chip that gives the iPhone pinging feature, now called Precision iPhone, on the Apple Watch AirTag-like tracking. Let's be honest, that's pretty much the only reason why we use our Apple Watches, right? To find our iPhones. Another notable thing is that the Apple Watch Ultra 2 has a new watch face called Modular Ultra, which is basically a watch face with a butt ton of information. So I'm going to be dropping a big accessories video for this device in the next couple of weeks to kind of summarize all the stuff that I've tested over the last year. Make sure you hit the subscribe button to stay on top of that. All right, on to the top 2. One of the best features of the Apple Watch Ultra, which is the super bright screen at 2000 nits, gets to be on the Series 9. Seriously guys, like having a bright Apple Watch screen is borderline life-changing. Now on the Apple Watch 2, the screen is now 3000 nits. I thought 2000 nits was going to be enough. I'm curious to see what 3000 does to my eyeballs. Now if you're wondering why there isn't much about the Apple Watch Ultra 2, it's because Apple didn't really do anything new other than put a bigger screen on it, a brighter screen on it, sorry. So that's actually kind of disappointing. The number one thing that you need to know about the new Apple Watches is they're going to change how you interact with the device. They've introduced this thing called double tap. So by tapping your index finger and thumb together twice, you're able to interact with the main button in the app. So when your alarm goes off, for example, double tap will push the snooze button. I'm so excited to use this. Like seriously guys, so excited. Anyways, the Series 9 and Apple Watch 2 can be ordered today from the Apple Store and will be available on September 22nd. I've bought my 2. I might return them because other than double tap, I don't know what I would use them for. Let me know what you guys think about the new upgrades to the Series 9 and the Apple Watch Ultra 2 in the comments section below. First time watching my videos, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so that every single time I show up on the internet, you get notified. Thanks for watching. Is that you're able to interact with